Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the full screen gestures in this device. If you enable the full screen gestures, you can easily hide the navigation button from the bottom tab. So let me show you how to enable the full screen gestures. For this, go to settings and scroll down, tap on the option gestures. Then here you can see the option navigation mode. Tap on this one. To enable the full screen gestures, select the option gesture navigation. Select this one. So if you want, now you can see that the navigation buttons are hidden from the bottom tab: back button, home button, and the recent button. Okay. So if you want to view how it works, then if you tap on this option, see how it works, then you can easily study this one. So let me show you how to use this one. To go to back page, swipe inwards from the left side, or swipe inwards from the left side, like this. Swipe inwards from the left side or swipe inwards from the right side also. You can easily go to the back page. To go to the home page, swipe inwards from the upward from the bottom tab. To go to recent application, swipe upward from the bottom tab and hold it. You can see the recent applications. Okay, again I will show you. To go to back page, swipe inwards from the right side or swipe inwards from the left side. To go to home page, swipe upward from the bottom tab. To go to recent application, swipe upward from the bottom tab and hold it. So simply in this way you can use and you can enable the full screen gestures in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.